Power Query is a powerful data transformation tool in Power BI that allows users to clean, shape, and combine data from multiple sources before loading it into the data model. Here's how to use Power Query effectively. Connect to data sources. Use Power Query to connect to various data sources such as databases, Excel files, CSV files, SharePoint lists, and web sources. Transform data. Apply transformations to clean and shape your data using Power Query's intuitive interface. This includes removing duplicates, filtering rows, renaming columns, changing data types, and adding custom columns using M-language formulas. Combine data. Merge or append data from multiple sources to create a unified dataset. Use join operations to combine data based on common fields or keys. Create queries. Create reusable queries to automate data transformation tasks. Organize queries into folders for better management. Load data. Load the transformed data into the Power BI data model for analysis and visualization. Power Query automatically generates query steps that can be reviewed and modified if needed. Refresh data. Set up scheduled data refreshes to ensure that your data is always up to date. Power Query can automatically refresh data from the original sources according to your defined schedule. Advanced transformations. Utilize advanced transformation techniques such as conditional logic, custom functions, and parameterized queries to handle complex data transformation scenarios.